Hi guys. So let me start with a very important contest that TCS has launched actually. So it has already launched the contest, and the contest is called TCS Code Beta. The contest is called TCS Code Beta. So you need to visit the campus commune site. I will be leaving the link for you in the description. So this is the link on which you click, and then you just go to this website of TCS, which is the campuscommune.tcs.com en hyphen in intro contests. So if you go to this link, so the link will get open, and on the link you will be watching a very important announcement made by TCS. The March 17, 2020, that is just before the lockdown began, the registration started, and the registrations are till July 5th, 2020. Registration will end on July 5, 2020, right? And this is Code Beta Season 9. Now, let us see what is TCS Code Beta. TCS Code Beta has been proudly promoting the programming as a sport culture among global students. So, programming as a sport culture has been promoted by Code Vita, that is Tata Consultancy Services, through Code Vita. Now, Code Vita is a contest where individuals across the globe participate and compete to win the coveted, the most world renowned, world's best coder title. About Code Vita Season 9. So, Code Vita Season 9 is all geared up to be the most challenging and exciting global coding contest of all the time. So, are you ready, guys? If you are ready, then we must register for this. Welcome to Code Vita Season 9. Let's make it bigger and better than ever before. So, it has a pre-qualifier zonal round. I'll just maximize this so that you can see it properly. So pre-qualifier zonal round, which starts on 10th of July 2020 and ends on 25th July 2020. It takes place online. So all the details of this pre-qualifier zonal round will reach you once you are registered for TCS Code Vita. Then there is a qualifier round. The people who qualify the zonal round, then they enter the qualifier round, which starts on 7th November 2020 and ends on 8th November 2020. It also takes place online. Now there is a third round, which is a grand finale actually. It starts 17th Feb 2021, that is next year, 2021, 17th Feb, and ends on 17th Feb 2021, ends on the same day and takes place at the venue. So one of the TCS development center will host this. So basically, Code Vita is a very big contest which is held across the globe. So all the students from across all the countries participate in this programming contest. So TCS is promoting programming as a sport culture, which is very good, and it will actually enhance the critical thinking, the logical abilities of all the aspiring candidates who wish to join companies like Tata Consultancy Services or any other IT industry, any other big IT industry as such. So this coding competition will help all the students a lot. So what is the process for registration? Let us see. So let me say register. Now when we say register, it will ask us to log in. Means if you have an existing account on the TCS Next Step portal, then provide your next step credentials to complete registration for the contest. which means you must be already registered on the TCS Next Step portal for this. Or there is another option. There is another option here which says register directly. You can proceed to register for the contest by entering a valid email ID. The same email ID provided here needs to be used for creating your profile on the Next Step portal and verify your contest registration. Only if you do not have a TCS Next Step portal account created at all. So if you are a newcomer on this portal, that means if you have never visited the portal and never registered on the TCS portal, then you can enter your email and verify it first. So let us say that we are very new to this and we will enter the email and we will verify this. So let me enter the email vnzokare.nbnscoe@siंhagad.edu. So this is my official ID. I belong to NB Navle Siंhagad College of Engineering, Solapur, and I am an assistant professor working with the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication in this institute since 2013. And my experience is around 18 years, which like there is an experience of 6 years in the industry, Bosch Group, Nasik, and Infosys Technologies Limited, Bangalore. I have spent 6 years in both the industries, 2 years in Bosch and 4 years at Infosys Bangalore. And then the rest of the years, the rest of the 12 to 13 years, I have spent in academics, teaching, counseling, motivating the students at various levels. So let me verify. So let us verify. Are you sure to proceed with the given email ID? Say okay. Okay. Let us see what it says. So it has put up the terms and conditions. Request you to please read these terms and conditions carefully. By participating in this contest, you agree to be bound by the terms and conditions. So you need to read all the terms and conditions. Please read them carefully or just copy and keep them with you so that you will always visit and see the terms and conditions. I am not a robot. Okay. Then troubleshooting steps if there are any conflicts with the CAPTCHA. So accept the terms and conditions, code Vita season 9, and then let us say register. Okay. Your registered email ID is vnzokare.nbnscoe@siंhagad.edu. So it says that you have registered for the contest and you now need to verify your contest registration. Okay, to complete verification of your contest registration, you need to go to the Next Step portal and create your account using the registered mail ID. Complete creation of your profile on the Next Step portal, launch Campus Commune, verify your contest registration on Campus Commune, and complete the process. So your registered email ID is showing my ID. Now let me go to the Next Step portal. See, this we are doing assuming that we are visiting the Campus Commune portal for the first time and we have not registered on the portal. So we are registering for the Next Step portal now. So I'm visiting the Next Step portal of TCS now, where we will register by using this ID, that is vnzokare.nbnscoe@siंhagad.edu. Use the above email ID alone for creating your account on the Next Step portal. So this is your Next Step portal. So when I click, this will open up. Now see here, pay attention. I'll maximize this. You have a choice to apply for IT or BPS. IT is information technology. BPS is business process services. Please note that you can register with us under only one category, and registering in incorrect category may lead you to repeat the entire registration process again. So you need to repeat the process again if you are in the wrong category. So if you are a technical person, like you belong to computer science and engineering, IT, or electronics and telecommunication, or electrical engineering, or any other engineering as such, but you are interested in IT, then click on IT. So once you click on IT, you will get a page wherein your information should be entered, right? So please note that TCS Next Step initiative is available in the India geography. Applications from other countries will not be taken into account. So here, let us enter the title, Mr. So my first name is Vinay, middle name, surname, date of birth. So you can enter your date of birth. So let me say 2nd February. Let me enter the date of birth as 1998. 98, yeah, 98. If you're 97, whatever it is. Gender, male. Email ID, vnzokare.nbnscoe. Whatever email ID you have given during the registration. So register with the same email ID, sinhagad.edu. So this is my official ID using which I am registering on the TCS portal. Now enter your mobile number. So you have entered the mobile number. So let me say, yeah. Now institute name. You can enter the institute name in which you are studying currently. So if your institute name is here, it will appear, right? So Sinhagad Institute appears here. You can put it, and then qualification. You can enter bachelor's. So see exactly where you belong: Bachelor of Computer Application, Bachelor of Engineering. So engineering. Year of passing. Now this competition is only for the people who are passing out in 2021, 22, 23 or 24. Understand it properly. So you need to be very careful while filling this application. Clear with this? So you're passing, if you are passing in 21 or 22 or 23 or 24, you are eligible for Code Vita. So let me say 21. Nearest location, I'll put Pune. Enter password. So you can enter the password as per your TCS password policy, which is same as your Google policy. So you have to enter one caps letter and then some numbers and then alphanumeric symbol. So just follow the same guidelines that Google is using for the passwords. And select a security question. What is your nationality? The very easiest question. It's Indian. And UWHYO. It's capital O. So submit. See here. Dear Vinay Nagnath Jokare, please confirm your email ID and mobile number. Your registered email ID is this and registered mobile number is this. So you have to confirm this and say confirm. Okay. Then you will go to the step. See here, you will get a reference ID. So please note down this reference ID. Have a screenshot of this first. Take a screenshot and save it so that you will not forget it at any point of time, and this will be with you. It will not get lost at any point of time. Otherwise, you need to just remember all the time. So I am just taking a snapshot and saving it in the form of a JPG picture. So I am saving it on my D drive in a folder where I will create a new folder for TCS Code Vita. And here I will save this. And I'll name this TCS registration number or registration ID. So this is very, very important for me. And I know that without this reference ID, I will not be able to do anything. For all the further communication with TCS, I'll be using this reference ID. Okay. So once you complete all the registration process, here you will get thank you for registering with TCS, and please note your reference ID. So this is your reference ID. An email with your CTDT reference ID and password is entered by you has been sent to your email ID mentioned in the registration form. So let us click on continue. So let us go to continue now. So please enter your password to continue with the registration process and access Campus Commune. So let us enter the password that we have entered while registering it. So never. Now we are successfully registered with Next Step portal. Just now see here, there are terms and conditions which you need to follow. Read them carefully, and I say I agree. So once you say agree, you will be entering into the portal, that is campuscommune.tcs.com. see here. So registration end date is 5th July. It will automatically give me, hi Vinay, Code Vita season 9. See here also you will get participant registration, and here they will display this. Registration end date is 5th July. You have not confirmed your participation yet. Confirm your registration to proceed further with this contest. Let's proceed further. So here you will get TCS Global Coding Contest, and you will get your reference ID here, your name, your college name, and then you will be able to read all the things about TCS Code Vita, the registration guidelines, what is pre-qualifier, what is qualifier round, what is grand finale. So see here, pre-qualifier zonal round will be a 24 hours contest window, and each participant is provided with 6 hours to solve the questions. So you will get 6 hours to solve the questions. Pre-qualifier round is done in India, and for rest of the world, it is conducted separately. This season, we will have 2 zonal rounds in India for pre-qualifier. So remember that there will be 2 zonal rounds, and details of zonal mapping and timelines are tentative. Yeah, so this is tentative. So they will intimate you, or they will just inform you regarding this fixed dates afterwards. So tentative dates are given. Zone 1, 10th July, 11th July. That is Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Kochi. Zone 2, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Delhi, and Pune. That is 24th July and 25th July. It's given. Qualifier round. This round will happen after the completion of pre-qualifier rounds for both India and rest of the world. And it will be on the same day during a 24-hour window. Top performers from zonal rounds across the globe will move into this round. Each participant is provided with 6 hours again to solve the questions, and finalized dates and details of this round will be updated. So these are all tentative dates. They will be updated, and the updated dates will be sent to you on your email ID. Now, grand finale. Top 25 performers from the global qualifier round would have the opportunity to move into the grand finale. This round will be held in one of the TCS L offices in India. That is, they have their development centers. So one of the development centers will host this. Top 3 contestants will be declared as winners of the contest. Winners will receive a total cash prize of $20,000. So it's a big amount. So it's $20,000 multiplied by 70. So it will be around 14 lakhs. We will be extending internships and offers to top coders from the contest. So TCS will be extending internships and offers. So you may get internship or job offer from TCS. February 2021 is the tentative timeline for the grand finale. So for grand finale, the date is February 2021. It will be held in the month of February. You have to read the terms and conditions again. And after reading the terms and conditions, you have to confirm. So you have to say confirm registration here. Okay. We'll say verify your mobile number. And this will be used to send contest related alerts. Got it? So verify the mobile number. So once you verify the mobile number, after this, your registration will be confirmed. Okay. So this is how you just go step by step and verify the TCS code Vita. Right. So this is your verification where you can verify the mobile number. Yes. So here you are. Once you get into this, you have to read the terms and conditions and you have to confirm the registrations with the verification of your mobile number. Okay. And after the verification of the mobile number, you can just say that you are confirmed. Okay. This will be used to send contest related alerts to you. If your number has changed, please enter your mobile number. No. So the number has not changed, so it's not necessary to enter the mobile number here. Fine. So it's done, almost done. So here you have read contest stages, you have read the terms and conditions, and you have confirmed the registration. Once you confirm the registration and enter the mobile number, you will get the successful registration. So you will get a message where it says that you have registered successfully. Right. So once you do that, you will be done. So done with it. So there is, so the mobile number is entered. So here it is, EG. So if it is changed, so you can submit here. So once you submit this, your contest registration is done. You have registered successfully for Code Beta Season 9. Right? So once you register for this, you will get a email. The round will be opened on 10 July. Login details. Once you get the link to the online application, you are required to use the following credentials to log in. So these are your credentials. So they will provide you these credentials and they will give you the password also. So don't share the password with anyone. Right? Don't share the password with anyone. So you will get a password where you can change the password at the later stage and you can visit the round stage. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me patiently and just completing the registration process of Code Beta Season 9 in itself will give you some confidence to participate in the coding contest. Just keep on practicing logically. Visit various sites where you get to learn some coding in Python or C. So make your coding strong in either of the languages like C or Python or Java even. So TCS allows C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby. So all these languages are allowed for the coding purpose. So basically you can choose any of these languages and you can just code in that particular language. Thank you very much. Thank you for patiently listening to me. Thank you.